Welcome to Ayurveda Awareness Center, where ancient wisdom meets modern healthcare. Hello everyone, I am Neerja and I am the founder of Ayurveda Awareness Center, Ayurveda lifestyle consultant and course facilitator, as well as a yoga teacher and therapist and a yoga nidra practitioner. Are you a Western trained GP or medical specialist who is looking to broaden your approach to wellness, or are you a natural health practitioner or a yoga teacher? Many of your peers have already gone on board on a journey of deep understanding and learning of Ayurveda through our foundational training in Clinical Ayurveda or FTCA, which has been created by Dr. Rajen Cooppan, an MBBS MD doctor and an Ayurveda practitioner, and taught in collaboration with Ayurveda Awareness to hundreds of practitioners. The FTCA is not just about theory, it is a hands-on immersion into understanding your client's inherent nature and implementing preventative techniques to stop disease in their tracks. And if that's not for you and you are new to Ayurveda, just want to appreciate, then no problem. Our Ayurveda Appreciation Program is just for that. It provides a solid foundation, equipping you with the essentials to understand and appreciate Ayurvedic principles and use them in your personal life and maybe your practice. When you choose Ayurveda Awareness, you are not signing up for a program, but you are also joining a community of like-minded professionals which is committed to holistic healthcare. Our programs are recognized currently by Australian Natural Therapist Association or ANTA and Yoga Australia, and we can talk to any relevant association or professional body as need be. So empower yourself, elevate your practice, and embrace the holistic wisdom of Ayurveda with Ayurveda Awareness Center. Join us in expanding healthcare one practitioner at a time.